In the heart of innovation, where ideas become reality, there's a place that nurtures the next generation of venture capitalists. Welcome to Protégé Ventures. We are Southeast Asia's first and Singapore's only student venture fund. Created in 2017 by the Singapore Management University Institute of Innovation and Entrepreneurship, Protégé Ventures is a nationwide training program aiming to groom the next generation of tech-savvy and entrepreneurial leaders. PV is a great blend of being both a student club and a full-fledged venture capital fund. That means we operate very much like a full-time venture capital fund does.
Students who join us can expect to take on roles and responsibilities similar to counterparts in traditional VC funds, from deal sourcing to due diligence and thematic research.
With a network of support from VC professionals, PV develops a robust curriculum through masterclasses, workshops, and networking events with founders, startups, and senior VCs to give students hands-on learning on what it's like to be a venture capital investor.
It has been already 7 years since I was first involved in Protégé Ventures. What I do as a mentor and an advisor is to provide some masterclasses and expert advices to how new analysts at PV would be able to hone their skills as a venture capital investor. On the other extreme, we also hire student interns as investment analysts. Some of the student analysts are even fortunate enough to be able to present the case at the investment committee where it involved real investment dollars.
Being a part of the PV team gave me the impetus to continue speaking with founders, subject matter experts, as well as evaluating many startup companies, all of which helped in training my analytical skills. Also, being able to bounce ideas off ambitious people who are motivated in similar ways was very refreshing.
Being in PV enhanced my evaluation of businesses from an investments perspective. Through PV, I got a better sense of what a good business is supposed to be, which is useful whether you want to go into investments, entrepreneurship, or even a strategy role.
My journey with Protégé Venture has been transformative. I joined PV in September 2023 after being captivated by its unique platform that supports student founders by providing investment capital and hands-on fundraising support. I have developed critical skills in venture analysis, as well as gained practical experience in supporting early-stage startups.
As a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about venture capital, everyone in PV is here to support your growth.
The best part about PV is that we accept a diversity of students from all tertiary institutions. This allows us to learn and connect with students from all over Singapore, which makes it even more special.
We do feel the student analysts who come and join us have a very structured way of thinking. Of course, they come equipped with the basic foundational skill sets of financial modeling. They are also very open when it comes to talking to individuals who are founders or even VCs as well. So their networking skills are pretty good there. So if you really want to experience what being an investment person is in a real-life setting,
I do recommend exploring Protégé Ventures.
So if you're into startups and investments, Protégé Ventures is the right place for you.